Hey guys! Are you want to buy best replacement shocks for Ford Ranger? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best replacement shocks for Ford Ranger that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gabriel Corrosion-Resistant Rear Load Carrier. The Rear Load Carrier by Gabriel is a durable product that will help your Ford Ranger transport heavy items without getting them damaged due to uneven roads. The built-in extending wheels at each corner ensure your cargo does not move from its place. This product will ensure your safety and offer a comfortable ride. These shocks combine shock and spring technology in the spring and damper that helps make your car stable on bumpy roads and during those sudden or sharp turns. In addition, if you are looking to add extra weight to your ride, these shocks provide 500 pounds of load carrying capacity. This product is a perfect combination of compression and spring. Installing it in your pickup will give you your dream ride quality. The only drawback to this product is that it is made to a high standard and thus is compatible with only older Ford Ranger models. Now our second product is Monroe Monro-MaticPlus shocks. The Monroe-MaticPlus shock absorber by Monroe is a durable replacement shock capable of delivering high-end performance. The product has a larger piston diameter which boosts its cooling capabilities. This property is an excellent choice for all the Ford Ranger owners who ride it on rough terrains. The shock is equipped with all-weather fluid, allowing it to absorb vibrations effectively regardless of the weather condition. The liquid also helps in reducing the friction of the nitrocarbized piston rod and enables it to move smoothly. This product is built to last and even helps restore ride and handling. The nitrogen gas charge maintains tire-to-road contact, which improves ride and handling by decreasing aeration. The only thing you need to know is that this replacement shock for the Ford Ranger is a significant upgrade if you use your Ford Ranger for off-roading. Our third product is Gabriel specially designed Hijacker. Gabriel Hijacker is one of the best shocks for the Ford Ranger 4x4 you can buy in 2023. If safety is your primary concern, look no further. These shocks are specially designed to prevent accidents by making drivers sapped off the bumpy roads. They can absorb some wear and tear that allow the riders to enjoy a worry-free commute. With these shocks installed in your ride, you do not have to constantly adjust your suspension when there is an unexpected curb or pothole. These shocks are designed to level a loaded vehicle for safe driving. In addition, you can add or remove air as required. Furthermore, these shocks reduce the risk of bottoming out by taking the sag out of your heavily loaded vehicle. With this product, you will have better control of your vehicle and enjoy the comfortable ride you always want. Now number 4, Detroit Axle High-Strength Rear Shocks Replacements. Detroit Axle is a well-reputed name in America for producing high-quality products with high durability. These particular shockers from the company are a great example of their premium quality. The shocks are made of premium-grade steel that offers a high level of performance. They have better wear resistance, and long-lasting performance is all you will get. Also, you get a 10-year warranty that covers almost all kinds of faults in the product. Your Ford Ranger will get enough support, stability, and an excellent driving experience. And our last choice is AutoShack KS155-015PR Rust-Proof Set. The shock absorber strut replacement by AutoShack is an easy-going product that does what it is built to do. It is one of the best replacements for the Ford Rangers from 1998 to 2011. These replacement shocks are designed as a high-quality yet affordable alternative that boosts the ruggedness and lifespan of your vehicle. The shocks are designed to eliminate oil leaks and ensure your vehicle is safe and clean for a longer time. They can absorb abnormal noises so you to have a smooth and comfortable ride. In addition, each part is entirely rust-proof and highly durable. AutoShack has built these shocks to meet OEM specifications, providing everything a driver might need to maintain their vehicle's balance. With your affordable purchase, you get 6 months warranty. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.